YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. And today, I got a good video in store for you. Now, I know y'all see this face here. That ain't me. Only one more day, and No Shave November is over. But that's besides the point. Just want to throw that in there because I know y'all see this all over my face. The good one in store for you today. Have you ever wondered how to do a taper / temp fade with the dreads? As you can see, he has the dreads, but we need to go ahead and fade the side of that for him. So today I will be giving you a tutorial on how to do that. But before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. As you see, it's George Barbershop. Yeah, we here. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. So let's jump straight to it. As you see, he got the dreads and he's trying to get a bald temp today. I'm going to show you how to do it. Step 1 would be to use some rubber bands or hair ties to remove the hair or the dreads that's hanging over the part that you need to cut. This is essential. No one wants any accident when it comes to their dreads. Next step, we're going to comb the hair. We're going to separate the hair that needs to be cut from the dreads. As you can see, I'm going in with my one guard with the grain. Since this is a bald temp fade, we're going to go ahead and start balding it out, creating our guidelines. As you can see, I'm using my trimmers to start this line, and I'm also going to go ahead and start lining up the side of his hair as well. Next, we're going to go with the 1.5 guard, the 4.5 millimeter up against the grain. Don't go up too far to where you're touching the dreads, but go right where you started to see the difference between the dreads and the hair that's being cut. Once you do that, we're going to take that 1 guard, the 3 millimeter, and we're going to go an inch up. Don't go as high as you went with the 4.5 millimeter, but we want to go about half of the distance. As you can see, I'm taking that 1 guard and smoothing it down like we did at the beginning of the video, just to make sure that we're getting every hair laid down. Once you complete that, we're going to take that 1 guard completely off, and we're going to go with the clipper open. And we're going to play with that lever from halfway to open, halfway to open. Next, you'll put the 0 guard in. We're going to start with that lever halfway open. Halfway, not fully open, but halfway between it being completely closed and halfway opening. And we're going to do the same thing and start smoothing it down as we did with the 1. Now, I take a brush just to kind of brush the hair down and seeing if there's any spots that I miss. And I take that 1 guard and begin to smooth it out one more time just to make sure we have all those hairs laid. Now, those are the steps to fading. I really wasn't going to go into detail much about lining it up. I have a video for that. Actually, that was my most recent video of how to line up a hair. But if we could recap, we went from the 1.5 guard, the 4.5 millimeter, to the 3 millimeter, to no guard with the clipper lever being all the way open. And then we came back with the 1.5 millimeter, which is the 0 guard, and we began to use that lever halfway open to be able to knock out those spots. Now, I have multiple videos on how to fade. If you need more detail, you can click this video up here. This will give you more detail on how to fade. And if also you want to learn how to do a lineup, I got the video right there for you to be able to do a lineup as well. For this side, we're going to do the exact same thing as we did to the left side. I'm not going to really talk this through, but if you pay attention, you'll be able to see exactly the same exact steps that we just previously did on the left side of his head. And I know I said I have a video for how to do a lineup, but I just want to give one valuable step for lineups that I feel is essential for lineups that can help everybody as much as possible. You see that I'm combing his line out. This is essential when somebody has locks, and I began to start in the middle of the head and work my way over. That's very essential when doing a lineup. You want to give yourself some type of guideline to follow, and starting at the middle of the head is just the best position to have a higher success chance of winning when it comes to doing lineups. If you're wondering what I'm putting on my client, this is hot lather. The video of how to use the razor explains this very well. If you want to learn how to use a straight razor, click the link above. Now, y'all seen how he came in, right? Y'all seen how he came in. This is the before. This is how he looked when he came in. I told you we was going to give you that Temp fade tutorial, FadeMasterLos. And now you see how he left. Make sure we got him right. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for liking. I appreciate you for subscribing. It's only going to make you better. Hey, there you have it. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.